What's going on, everybody? So coming in for a quick watch this video for you guys again today. Things are really heating up again, thanks I think to probably the stimulus checks and you know Elon Musk tweeting about NFTs. Things are getting pretty wild. So definitely reminds me of February where I have too many plays on the screen and not enough to watch. So pretty exciting stuff. First one, Nrpi. Look at the daily chart. Just straight up action here. Going to definitely be looking for some continuation on this, especially after this recovery yesterday, or some potential panic today. Could have some really nice action. So definitely very excited to see this panic down. We'll see. If you can have a nice panic, that'd be great. I mean, one-day specters generally don't have the best panics. So I ideally like to see it kind of stay strong out the gate and have a high day break that I can buy into. AABB, this is a beautiful play yesterday. I missed this because I was playing UAMM, made about $200, $300 on UAMM. But this had a really nice recovery all day. I didn't know if it was going to keep going after it failed down here, but it did. It ripped up and it stayed strong. And it's on its third green day. Oh, so 1, 2, 3 right here. And as you should know, if you don't know, the higher it goes, the better dip opportunities it has. So this has been up 3 solid green days. So when it finally comes back down, when the shorts start piling on, this could really have a nice panic. So this is definitely going to be my top panic watch for the day, just because when it finally does come undone, it'll probably come pretty far. And because there's a lot of shorts in there, that means it's a very chance of a bounce, along with all the dip buyers that'll come in. Icbu, another insane move. It's another crypto NFT play. Had news yesterday pre-market, and it just grinded all day. Missed this. I was away from the markets in the afternoon, so I didn't see this move until about afternoon here, until the end of the day. Thought about taking a swing, but yesterday I kind of got burned on my LKNCY swing. And just across the board, it seems like swing trades haven't been working as well. They haven't been gapping up as much. They've been gapping down, especially in OTC land. So I'm just playing very careful, and I'm not getting too over confident with any swing plays right now. But as you can tell, this had a massive breakout past this consolidation period right here, past this high day, or actually this resistance level back here. So very, very good action. It's at all-time highs right now, so it could keep going higher. Of course, with NFT being hot, with news being hot, definitely something to look out for. IMTL, another example of just sector momentum going nuts. And again, incredible breakout. As you can tell, I had this breakout on watch, but I was away from the markets, so I wasn't able to play it. But I'll be watching it again today, maybe for some panic or maybe some continuation. Ideally, it does have a panic in the morning, but if it can grind again, that'd be fantastic. Mdmp, this one's been on my watch list for the last few weeks. It's having the first green day off this bounce, so we'll see if we can get some news and some momentum, and hopefully we can push higher. We will see. IPNFF, this one a little less volume than I would like, but it is having again another big breakout day, and this is what I'm seeing all across the board with a lot of these like NFT digital plays and a lot of these penny stocks right now. They're all starting to break out past all-time highs, so that's a very, very good sign. And I'm actually going to move this because there's another chart I want to watch. I think it's a better chart than Mdmp, which is CWRK. So I'm going to move this to my other screen over here. And you see I'm doing a little live watch list review with you guys here. So CWRK had a really, really nice chart yesterday. Really low volume in the morning. Wouldn't have played any of this. But once it started breaking past here, it really just started going. So again, this is another NFT play. NFTs are super hot right now. As I've been mentioning in all my watch lists, that NFTs are heating up. And look at this thing, it's just starting to really rip. So I'm going to keep this on watch today as well, and just kind of see where it goes. Ideally, it has a nice panic in the morning, but something like this maybe. But if it's a strong stock, it should keep grinding higher. So that's what I'm going to keep my eyes out for. I want to see that long grinding action, and I would like to see some sustained moves up. I'm also, just in case you guys are playing these plays, especially for sector momentum, you guys need to make sure you're watching the big whale, right? The leader in the sector. And right now, TKAT is the NFT leader. So just keep this one on watch. You can actually trade this as well if you want. I don't you'll hear me say all the time, I don't trade listed stocks, or I try not to, especially if there's all the penny stocks around, just because they're so much easier to trade. The patterns are easier. But I mean, TKAT is definitely still in play. I mean, it had a huge green day yesterday. Ideally for this, let's see how much it went up yesterday, actually. So this thing had a massive run of 300%. So absolutely insane move yesterday. Um, Absolutely incredible. So what I'd like to see today, if I was going to play this, because it is up so much, is a dip in the morning, and then another break past these pre-market highs. So the standard dip and rip. That's really the only Nasdaq strategy I really like to play. So I have this on watch, and we'll see if it can dip, and if it can rip past highs, I'll definitely take another shot at this because it could go higher. Um, Always remember these things, especially when they're in a hot sector. There's no saying how far they can go. They could go 6,000%. I mean, if you look back to TLRY when the weed sector was really hot, I mean, TLRY went from 200 to 300 within the matter of 3 or 4 days. So never underestimate where these things can go. This thing obviously had an incredible move yesterday. So ashamed I missed it. But keep this stuff on watch. I mean, I've had these on my watch list for last week. So they're definitely good plays out there. And I'm glad to see that we have some hot sectors again. So make sure you guys are studying. If you guys want to learn more about how to trade these, if you want these detailed watch lists I'm sending out every single day, then make sure you sign up for a membership course. We got a lot more people in it now. People are loving it. I'm really happy with how people are learning, and they're really starting to figure out the markets. And I'd love for you guys to join me and learn the markets as well, and really capitalize on these plays, especially when these markets start getting hot. So I hope to see you guys soon. And until then, have a great day and stay safe out there, guys.